morning, guys. Everybody's dead. Are you guys ready for the festivities?
Exhausted.
Guys, we made it to the airport and it is so crowded. Thank God we came early. The girls are giving you guys zero energy today because they're exhausted, but it's okay. My ojeras don't show it, but I am so happy inside. We need to hurry. We're in 50 and we need to get all the way to 10. Not us thinking that we almost missed our flight because we didn't know where we were at. No. But yes, thank you. Thank you.
No, not yet. We can't say yet. Let's see when we get there.
Hi, girl. We're on our flight, guys. I'm so excited. I can't wait. We are about to take off, praying for a smooth flight, and I'll keep you guys updated during the flight. But if I don't update you guys, I will see you guys when we get to our destination.
We gotta make sure you eat this trip so you
Okay, let's go. Check it out, check it out.
Cheers to Buckets birthday trip.
Oh, they didn't give you guys straws? We had such a good flight. It was so good. It was super smooth. We didn't even have like that much turbulence, which I was really surprised about because I know that the weather can be a little iffy out here. But we took a good nap too. Yeah. Yvette and Karina, they drank some Jack Daniels. And, oh yeah, 2. And they were all like, they both woke up and they're like, I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what Karina looked like. She's like a fucking ghost. She was like,
Erica was like, I wanted to take a picture of you because you saw me like
so cool. And then you were like rocking back and forth. I was like, this girl. But they took some shots and we were all able to get some rest, so that's good. I drank a little bit of my tea and then I knocked out for like 2 hours. When I checked the time, it said that it was like 3 hours and 15 minutes. And when I woke up, it was like an hour left to the flight. So we all napped pretty good. So that was good. And the flight attendant behind me, I'm gonna show him real quick. He was so sweet. He was such a great flight attendant. He did it? He probably came when you guys were knocked out. He felt bad charging you guys.
And it was 3. It was 3 and then
we'll say thank you before we leave. He was really great. Yeah. Said our first cookie dinner. I'm done. But for those of you guys who probably don't know Karina, there's 3 Karinas in the chat. Well, Corina. Oh, Corina. You know, it's Corina with the O, but there's 3 of them. But she is actually my cousin Eric's girlfriend, and she has become one of our great friends. And we always tell her, if it doesn't work out with my cousin, we're still gonna be besties. Don't trip, okay? We love her. We love her.
What the hell? Everyone watch your drinks. Well, your drinks.
Just pulled up to our Airbnb. So cute. And it's getting gloomy. Watch us be at the wrong house. Watch us be at the wrong house. Ooh, I just saw a lot of ass back there. Ooh, I can't wait to be sweats on. Walk in. What's the code? 95. Ah! Why did you do that? How cute! We can't even have fun because we feel guilty. I know. We feel guilty. There's a room over here. Super cute. We're gonna set up the little goodies that we got the girls so you guys can see. What's around here? Let me give myself another room. How did you guys situate yourselves? Bathroom.
Your sister already put yourself with you.
We're gonna be roomies?
Yes, we're gonna cuddle.
Okay. It was funny because Yvette was like, do you want to share a room with me? And then I was like, no. And then she said, but when I drink, I kind of snore. And then I was like, let me get back to you on that. And then I'll let you know how the room situation will be.
You're with me.
Oh, okay. Yvette's like,
Karina, do you want to sit with me?
sure. How cute. Look at this cute little kitchen, table, living room. Sí, es mí teniendo la cama.
We're like,
Oh my god.
oh yeah, that's your room, honey.
This is my room?
Left.
Girl.
Market is kind of the same. It's California.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you have a shower. You got a bidet.
I missed you. We need to do that TikTok, the one that tells you
Can I
that.
get ready?
Can you? No, for sure.
You look fucking tall as
I
fuck
know.
right now, so they can actually see how short.
Oh
I am.
yeah. We're gonna do the
Did you miss us?
Cause we missed you or something like that. Or something. I don't even know what it is. How freaking cute. Viv is like, I am joining her in the master. So cute. I don't know what's back here.
I don't know how to put that up. Or like,
How cute. Oh. She's fancy. Thank God today's our chill day.
yeah.
My God, look at the wind. We're in Miami for sure. For sure. Okay, so that's the master. Cute. It has a lot of rooms, right? Another room here. Bathroom, closet. Oh, this is Jack and Jill. How cute.
And then cousins.
Well, your sister's coming, no?
We don't know yet, but if she is,
Oh, okay. I was
then
gonna say
she'll-
because you guys
we'll
could have
figure it
just
out.
been
Yeah,
all four,
yeah,
you
we'll
know?
figure it out, yeah. But she's not sure yet. And there's like a washer and a dryer. I haven't opened this door. I don't know where it is. I don't know.
Oh, probably the garage. Let's go to the backyard. So what are we eating?
We didn't really.
I'm starving.
Oh, look at these here.
Remember, I can't survive off of alcohol because I'm not drinking. I need real food. It's a little windy because the weather got a little yucky. But look at this beautiful house. Oh my God. She is gorgeous. We were supposed to have a chill pool day today, but I don't think it's gonna happen with this weather. I'm gonna need Miami to get it together. But this pool is phenomenal. I can't wait to get some pictures out here.
I'm telling her when to stop, but you didn't tell any of us. Yeah, but she That's cheating. Well, we're besties, okay? I gotta watch out. We're watching now. So you wanna know what I said earlier? I said, Viv, don't forget you're my friend first. She's like, Viv wasn't your friend. Blanca's your friend. I was like, I'm like, that's your friend's sister. We're friends.
Wow. What?
I passed out.
Crazy stories.
Not me. Vivian, grab your shot.
That is all life. Oh my goodness.
Cheers.
Bro, the pizza fucked me up. Oh my God. Okay, so Yvette did cute little goodie bags and like one for Miguel. So in the rooms that are not, who's gonna sleep in here?
Karina and I.
You and Karina? Okay, so I can put both of you at the
tonight.
baggies here.
Yeah.
Okay. So sponsored by EXO Cosmetics, period. We put a bunch of goodies. Shout out to Yvette for stuffing her luggage.
Yeah. My
With
luggage
all-
is empty now.
I know, but we're gonna fill it up with purchases.
Oh yeah.
So I'm so excited, but I hooked up all the girls with like a bunch of goodies to get them through the weekend. Palettes and little brushes, beauty blenders, lashes, just get them through the days. So I'm super excited.
Even on your birthday.
Festivities is sponsored by EXO Cosmetics, period. I hope you guys liked all the goodies inside.
Let's see. Wow. Look at
In case you guys didn't come prepared, I got you guys.
I didn't bring lashes, so.
Hi, Adelie.
I didn't bring lashes neither.
Guys, look how cute this is. Little girl's trip survival kit with beauty survival kits. Cute.
But I am gonna go in. I'm gonna walk.
Guys, so day one was super chill. We obviously got here because everybody's getting here at different times. We're still waiting for Corina, my friend Ashley, and Miguel to arrive. We are going to hit the sheets. We have an early day tomorrow, which is going to consist of brunch in the day, a yacht. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Pray for us because it might be raining. We have a yacht day, and then we're gonna hit up Nikki Beach, which I'm really excited, and then hopefully we have enough energy for a nightclub tomorrow. But I will see you guys in the morning, and I'll see you guys there. Guys, it is the next day. We're all looking cute AF. Tell me why it's raining. Of course, fucking Miami weather. We're going through fucking cyclones right now, and there's thunderstorms. I don't know where we fit. They just came to get us for brunch, so we'll see you guys. Over there? Okay. 2 people fit over there though? 2 people fit over here? Or just one? Oh no, there's one person here. One person can go here. One full car full of bad bitches. Hi bitches. It's 10 bitches and 1 bitch. He's the bitch. Hello ladies. I don't know why it looks foggy.
Turn left on Southwest 9th Street.
Yes.
We are. I was telling them that it was raining, and
The rain don't stop.
it's not.
I'm looking at the menu. We're in their camera.
Oh, here comes the cheese. He got hella bad.
Who did? What are you guys gonna do? We got traumatized with the Long Island.
What are you gonna take birthday girl?
Okay, so appetizers, I'm gonna do some wings and chicken tenders and maybe some shrimp cocktail for us. And then I don't know what I want to eat.
You're probably only gonna
Orange juice.
Sherry
I'll probably do like a virgin strawberry daiquiri or something, so I can at least like
There you go.
have the vibe.
Get in the vibe? Yes. Woo!
I'll probably do like a virgin pina colada.
All right, well now let's chug. Let's chug. Oh, hell no. Hell no.
Up, but put it closer. Guys, get up.
You get up, bitch.
Cheers.
Everybody's getting litty McTitty, and they made me a virgin pina colada, but it does not taste the same without liquor. All these pina coladas, like it's missing the rum. I think I'm drunk. I think I'm drunk.
think of it.
You don't have Casamigos here? Adios, cubano. Adios. Too close, too close. He texted me, so I have to eat. Miguel! Oh my god! Oh my god, Miguel! Hi guys! Go, 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 go! Alicor, alicor. Algo importante. Izquierda, derecha.
Left, right, follow the leader, leader.
Who's the leader? Cousin Miguel? Miguel, I saw you jumping up.
Guys, the girls are getting ready for the yacht. Is this your first time? Come on, ladies, let's go, let's go.
So we're gonna on a jet or whatever that's.
¿Sí sabe cómo manejar el barco? ¡Está aprendiendo!
Ellas sí saben mover el bote, mire. Ellas saben mover el bote. Hey, guys, muevan el bote.
Guys, we're literally out here. Okay, so first of all, let me share something with you.
She's single, guys.
Hey, Miguel said, oh, my earring. Ask Miguel. Oh my god, give me that. All I wanted.
So we have been planning. So we're in Miami, guys, and we have been planning a Miami trip.
And they got the
years, and we finally made it happen. So I'm so excited, and I'm so happy for everybody that came out to celebrate my birthday with me.
We love you. There's 12 of us, and we're only friends.
We have friends.
We have friends enough to make a fucking girls trip, bitch.
I love you.
When will we do that? When? Please tell me.
Where are we going next?
It was 3 of us. It was me, Yvette, and Blanca, and then, well, Babe was part of the group, and then
We've just expanded it. And we're here with the realest bitches. Yeah.
oh my god!
Karina's like me with the realest bitch.
I'm right here. Realest bitch number 1. Well, Yvette, but then me. Okay.
You're always the realest.
But like, I got
I told Karina right now, you were never gonna get replaced.
How many
Amber,
bitches?
I love you.
Yeah, but how many bitches get replaced by me? None, bitch. I needed my spot, so fuck you, hoe. What the fuck we talking about?
No.
I'm
You lost me at home.
I am irreplaceable.
Are watching the sunset. And here's Karina's moon.
Stick it up a lot. No. Oh. I have my
This is Alex, our Capitan. Thank you for taking such amazing care of us.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And then the helper that had Karina on literally high alert. He was taking care of Karina to make sure she didn't fall. Life's great. Truly blessed, guys, to say saying blessed is an understatement.
Ready? Oh, your camera is on.
How are you guys feeling this morning?
Amazing. I think I'm drunk, but it's good. That's what we're out here for.
Yeah.
You look amazing, sweetie.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today, honey?
I feel good, very rested.
We stayed in
you're
tonight.
amazing.
How are you feeling, honey?
Getting the party started already, you know.
Eat. For only $8.
Are you serious?
Isn't she so cute? Yeah. $8.
Well, I paid 10 and 10. Mark, can you go 60% off?
Ooh. Get it. A ver un little twerk. 8.
A little bit of makeup on them, but I went into the pool. But look, these are my knees for now.
We could probably do some on the bed. I want a very Kylie moment, inspired moment.
I know it's not my birthday, but
It's the energy. Rawr. It's the energy.
what?
Can you not do the sound? Maybe you can't.
I'm not here in Miami. But I did that. What?
Sister, don't leave so I can take your picture.
Wait, come.
I'm out here in Miami. Amen.
Okay, she's pretty fast.
Yeah.
I'm out here in Miami.
Guys, we're on Ocean Drive and I'm so excited. Say hi, guys. The lighting in here is really good.
It is.
Like you guys all, not that you guys are not, but you guys look really good right now. Go. Dump it. Yeah, it's your shot. Dump it. That's a rum. It's rum. Mix it. It's rum. It's rum. Just got our food, guys. I got mozzarella sticks and chicken tenders, but everybody got sandwiches. With her. Karina's been like really clingy this weekend.
It's because I haven't had enough of Blanca. Like, me and Blanca have been away from each other.
You've been really clingy this trip.
I'm sorry if I'm being clingy. I'm about to fight bitches.
You're gonna fight yourself, bitch.
I just fucked myself
And you lost.
up. Me versus me. Literally, if you know, you know.
But
me versus me.
Can you believe that I lost my voice already?
She always loses her
I
voice.
do, bitch. Erica's drunk as fuck. This girl.
My 20s are gonna come out.
Karina, how you feeling, baby?
Can I have one?
Yeah.
It's okay, I got one. Oh, give me two. I'm dumb.
Karina, they're gonna be what if somebody pays us like $10,000 for you to suck my clit?
I will. $10,000? Hit me up, bitch. DM me.
So I found a bottle.
We love you. Real ass bitch, give a fuck about it.
Come on, let's go. Do this shit. What I pay you guys for? hey, moving faster. Woo, that was nice. Let's go.
Some 90s?
A top later. A top, literally.
crazy. Oh my god. I can't with these girls.
I can't either.
Fuck you guys, but we're down as fuck. Toma.
I'm tapping out.
How you feeling? Feeling ready?
Yeah, I'm a little sad that my dress didn't look the way that I expected it to.
This one still looks good.
I had a different outfit on, but I feel like it was giving cajita.
Oh, like you couldn't move?
No, like I literally one box.
Like a box?
I looked
Like you
it
couldn't
was
move?
shaping me.
Oh.
It just wasn't, it was like kind of like hanging on me.
Yeah. This
But-
looks good.
I have to redo my video.
Not tonight. We're getting fucked up, babe. It's our last night in Miami, babe. Come on, let's go. Our last night.
Everybody get on the cart.
For us to get a VIP table at Live. I mean at 11. Let me some free back.
How is it?
Guys, it is the next day. Tell me why we got home at 5 in the morning and Miami was crazy. I ended up not taking my camera to the nightclub just because I was scared of losing it. And, you know, obviously everybody was going to be drunk, so I needed to make sure that everybody was good. So yeah, that was last night. But this house was beautiful. I'll link the Airbnb down below in case anybody wants to book it. I'm thinking this is the vibe that we're looking for the pool at our house. What do you guys think? Super chill, right? But super nice. Like, I love how clean it is, and I'm obsessed. Can you show us the EXO glue? The end of our Miami trip. I'm so sad. I really love Miami. But next week we're heading out to Cabo, which I'm really excited with the kiddos. So I'll see you guys when we get to the airport once again.